The 2024 edition of the Mobile World Congress, the world's leading trade fair for mobile technology and related industries, concluded in Barcelona, Spain on Thursday. The state-of-the-art products and applications showcased by Chinese companies had become eye-catchers at the four-day event. Chinese technology company ZTE unveiled one of the world's first 5G plus AI eyewear-free 3D tablets.
It's support the 5G. It means you can experience 3D anytime, anywhere. You can make any the content, the 2D content, to convert to the 3D content in real time. And also we have our dedicated optical design to make the 2D tablet come to the 3D tablet. I think it's a very cutting-edge technology.
Chinese computer giant Lenovo launched a transparent display laptop, a 13.3-inch concept notebook with a screen that one can peer straight through. Chinese smartphone brand Honor showed visitors how to control a car with eye-tracking technology, as people can start or stop the engine and move forward or backward the car. This year's MWC centers on the future-first concept, highlighting the importance of uniting industries, continents, technologies, and communities to realize the potential of the future. It drew a total of 2,400 exhibitors, including around 300 Chinese telecommunications companies. Business Insider said that Chinese firms have made important contributions to the mobile world that is eyeing new growth.
It's incredible to see how many Chinese companies and Chinese people are here present, and this shows us as a Mobile World Congress without Chinese will not be a Mobile World Congress. Chinese companies in many fields are leading the way. I see many opportunities in front of us.
I think there's a ton of innovation that's coming out of China, so it's really important that they're here.
I know how much effort, money, talent that China is pouring into new technology, into AI, into connectivity. And that's going to really bear fruit in the future.